Hello everybody. Then this is a video for the tutorial of the ADAFRUIT. First of all, we have to go to the makecode.adafruit.com and select one of the tutorials. For this video we will use the clap lights. Then start the tutorial, and here we can see this workspace is a block, the workspace with blocks. It's really easy, it's for beginners. Then we can develop with code like Python or like JavaScript. There are more options. Then here it says, drag on loud sound block into the workspace. Then we go to the input on loud sound and we drag in. Also we delete the forever loop because we don't need here, because our program will be triggered when loud sound happens. Then we have to develop inside, we have to put the functions that we want to do inside of this event. Then we can click next, and here says drag the set brightness and set all pixels block into on loud sound to turn the lights on really bright. Well, then goes to lights and then drag in the set brightness inside of the event. Then also set all pixels to the color. Then here we can decide the brightness. We can put the maximum is 225, but it's really bright. Then we can put less, like 94 for example. Then we can select the color, like, I don't know, green, orange, doesn't matter. And then we can click next. Here says, you can download and try it, but we don't need it to download because we didn't finish the tutorial. We can click next. And now drag a pause block to wait 2 seconds. Then every time that the loud sound input will be triggered, the LEDs will turn on to orange. But then we have to stop. Then we have to put this loop inside to stop to turn off the LEDs. In this case we will put like 2 seconds. That is what the tutorial said. 2 seconds. And then we have to turn off the LEDs. To turn off we have to put the color, but we have to put in black. Then now the LEDs are will be turned off. Then we can click next, and now now we finish our code. We can download it, and then we have the file in our computer. Then we can plug the ADAFRUIT, and then here in the ADAFRUIT, to ensure that we can put the file inside, we can click 2 times the reset button, the button in the middle, the small one, and when the LEDs turn to green, then the ADAFRUIT is flashed and we are able to insert the file inside. Then we have to check that the mount device is called cplay boot, like this one, and then we can paste our file here, and then automatically, as you can see here, automatically will be deployed. Now it's deployed, and now we can test it. We can clap to test that it's working. Then you can see it's working. Then wait 2 seconds and then turn off the LEDs. But now the device is connected to our laptop. It's handy to have a battery, for example. Then we can unplug the USB. We can plug the battery. And then it's plug and play. You have the battery, and now we can test it another time. Now it works. Then it's really easy. Basically you only have to press 2 times the reset button, and that's it. And then drag the file inside the directory, and that's it. It's deployed. It's really easy. Then we can finish the tutorial. Here we can see our project that We have our blocks here, but then you can see here in the menu. In the menu, there are a lot of things to do, and you can play. You can check everything. There are a lot of inputs to trigger. You can check a lot of lights, music, network. Also, you can go to the JavaScript tab and check the code generated. Then you can modify and you can download it and redeploy it. Also remember that if you want to use Python, you have to go to this link that I put here, also in the description of the video, and follow the tutorial. And please go also to the shop and check the servos, engines, and multiple things that maybe is useful for your project. Thank you for watching.